Most of the desktop browsers have developer tools, but it is not available on smartphone browsers. So, we need to use a third-party tool named Editor. To use this tool, we need to execute a script in our browser's URL tab. But most of the smartphone browsers like Chrome will redirect you to Google search. So, we need to bookmark the script to make it work. Chrome doesn't allow to add a new bookmark manually. So, we are going to visit a random website to bookmark it. After going to the site, enter menu by clicking on the three dots. Then press the star icon to bookmark it. You will see an edit button below after successfully bookmarking. Click on it. Now, we will change the bookmark name into a relevant name. In our case, we are using developer tools. And for the URL section, we will put the script. The script we used is given below in the description section. Now, go back to test this. We will click on the URL tab and type the bookmark name. We will see the bookmark in the suggestions. Click on it. Now a floating tool button will appear. If we click on it, we will get several tools. Note that some tools found on desktop browsers may not be available on this tool. But this is a very helpful tool in case you can't access your desktop device.